Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at Birds at 30 here in Harare, Parrots, where I'll be checking out different types of birds. Some from Africa, some from the Amazon, some from Europe. There's so many birds here. So come with me, let's enjoy bird watching today as we'll be checking out these birds here at Birds at 30. It's a ski size, it's out, pelicans. So you can see there are so many beautiful birds here at Birds at 30. Very beautiful. Some are dangerous. That's why you see they are caged in. Some they can roam freely because they don't run away. Check out these two. So here we have the black and white cascade hornbill. So the males are usually larger than the females and heavier, and they have a great wingspan. So here they are, so beautiful. You can check guys, they are really beautiful. You can see the red duiker just over there. Then here we have these flamingos. So these are the Caribbean flamingos. You can see how pretty they are.
After a good bird watching session, I headed over to the koi fish pond to see what else Birds at 30 had to offer. This peaceful spot is home to beautiful colorful koi fish, and for just $1 you can buy fish food and enjoy feeding them. As I stood by the pond, I also spotted a few ducks swimming around, which made the whole experience feel more relaxing. Right next to the pond is a function hall that's available to hire for birthdays, weddings, corporate events, and other special occasions. I didn't get a chance to feed the fish on this visit because I was more focused on exploring the park and capturing some great footage. Instead, I spent my time taking photos and videos while soaking in the peaceful atmosphere.
Okay guys, I bet you had so much fun with me today here at Birds at 30 in Harare. I hope you had a wonderful time checking out these beautiful birds. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Hope you've seen a few birds that you identified or that you liked, or your favorite birds. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time guys, whilst we keep on exploring Zimbabwe. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.